concept of global governance, aimed at addressing various international issues, has gained much popularity in recent years. GIL recently organized a seminar on the topic Global Governance and International Law, Opportunities and Challenges. Dignitaries from several countries addressed the audience, offering valuable insights about the need and significance of global governance to make the world a better and safer place to live.
International Criminal Court, others have assented to it, signed for it, but others not, and they call the shots. You know what I mean? Superpower.
International law serves as the foundation for cooperation, providing mechanisms for peaceful resolution of disputes and mutual respect amongst nations.